Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to display the author of sticky notes in Miro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Miro.com. Alternatively, if you prefer working through the desktop app, you can launch the Miro app directly. Once you're on the login screen, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your workspace. After logging in, you'll land on your Miro dashboard where all your boards are displayed. From here, locate and open the board that contains the sticky notes you want to check. This could be any active project board, brainstorming session, or collaborative workspace you've been working on. Once your board is open, navigate to the specific sticky note you're interested in. Simply click on the sticky note to select it. This will bring up additional options and information related to that particular note, allowing you to access its properties and settings. Now, pay close attention to either the bottom or top area of the sticky note interface. Depending on your view settings, you'll notice various controls and buttons that appear when a sticky note is selected. These controls give you quick access to editing and viewing features. Among these options, you'll find a button labeled Show Author. Go ahead and click on this button. As soon as you do, the author's name will appear immediately at the bottom of the sticky note. This feature is incredibly useful when you're working in collaborative boards with multiple team members and need to quickly identify who created or contributed specific ideas. It helps maintain accountability and makes it easier to follow up with the right person if you have questions about a particular note. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the author display for sticky notes in Miro, making your collaborative workflow more transparent and organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.